Disclaimer: today we will talk about this problem, including some possible reasons and possible solutions. The information shared is based on common technical scenarios and may vary depending on your device, app version, or regional restrictions. For official help, you should contact Telegram support. Have you ever opened a Telegram channel and suddenly seen the message not available? This channel can't be displayed on Telegram apps downloaded from the Google Play Store. It can be confusing and frustrating, especially when you really need access to that content. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and in most cases, it's not a problem with your account. This message appears when Telegram restricts access to certain channels on apps downloaded from the Google Play Store. This is mainly due to Google's content policies. Some channels may contain sensitive or restricted content, and to follow Play Store rules, Telegram blocks those channels in the Play Store version of the app. So basically, your Telegram is working fine, but the app version you are using has limitations. Possible reasons: number one, Google Play Store policy restrictions. Telegram must follow Google's guidelines. If a channel contains adult, sensitive, or controversial content, it may be hidden in the Play Store version. Number two, using official Play Store version. If you install Telegram directly from the Play Store, some channels are automatically restricted. Some channels are marked as sensitive by Telegram itself, which triggers restrictions on certain app versions. Number 4. Regional restrictions. In some countries or regions, specific content may be blocked due to legal or policy reasons. Number 5. Safe content filtering enabled. Telegram has a filtering system that blocks sensitive content depending on your settings or app source. Possible solutions: number 1. Use Telegram from official website. Download Telegram APK directly from Telegram's official website instead of the Play Store. Number 2. Use Telegram desktop. Try opening the same channel on Telegram desktop, PC, laptop. Desktop versions often allow access to restricted channels. Number 3. Disable filtering if available. In some cases, you can disable sensitive content filtering from Telegram settings, mainly on desktop or web. Number 4. Use Telegram web version. Open the channel using Telegram web in your browser. Last, check with another device. Sometimes switching devices or platforms like iPhone or PC can help confirm if the issue is app specific. Conclusion: this not available error is not a bug or account issue. It's mainly due to platform restrictions, especially from the Google Play Store version of Telegram. The good news is that it can be solved easily by using alternative versions like Telegram APK, desktop, or web. Always make sure you are using official and safe sources when downloading apps and avoid any illegal or risky methods. If the problem still continues, it's best to contact Telegram's official support for accurate guidance.